Hello guys, I am Pratiksha, Get All India Rank 48 and 83. This is not a strategy video. This video is about an initiative which I have been thinking for a while to keep you people consistent and help you achieve your maximum potential in last 15 days. I am planning to have 2 live study with me sessions every day for next 15 days. The 2 sessions would be of 1 hour and 2 hours respectively. So first session in the morning from 8:30 to 9:30 a.m. and next session would be from 6:30 to 8:30 p.m. These timings are thought of keeping my availability and also working professionals who are studying, college going students and full-time aspirants. So this is the time slot which I found most appropriate, keeping everyone in mind. Now, what is the goal of this session would be the first 8:30 to 9:30 morning session will help you set momentum for your day. And in that we will be targeting the toughest task, that is revision. So revision, as it is said that it is elephant in the room. It is the most difficult task to do. And hence we will start our day with revision. You people will be doing your revision. I'll be covering my own stuff. From 9:30 till 6:30 in the evening, you will have around 9 to 10 hours wherein you can give 5 to 6 hours of your study, in which you will be solving your test, you will be analyzing your paper, you will be revising your weaker subjects, weaker sections, and whatever fits your plan. From 6:30 to 8:30 again, we'll be in our least energy state, wherein we'll have potential and wherein our mind will say to quit, and that is the point wherein again we'll be holding each other accountable, we'll be sitting together, we'll be sticking to time, we'll sit from 6:30 to 8:30 continuously again, 2 hours of focus study. So morning 1 hour, in day at least 5 hours, and night 2 hours, in the evening till 8:30. So by 8:30 already you have done 8 hours of study, which is insane. From 8:30 to 12:30 again you people will have time to do your own studies, to do the plan which you have thought for yourself. Again, if you're able to pull 2 hours from 8:30 to 12:30, you have already reached your maximum potential of 8 to 10 hours. And that is what is required in last 15 days. And hence this plan. The session structure would be deep focus study slots, study breaks in between. I'll be taking your doubts in breaks and guidance and accountability throughout. And during breaks, you are free to attempt mocks, analyze your mocks, revise your weaker sections, and do whatever fits your plan. I'll be live working alongside you. So we push through each other in last 15 days. If this is something you want me to do from tomorrow, do let me know in the comment section. And let's do it, guys. Let's hold each other accountable. Let's help each other reach our peak potential. See you in the next video. Till then, keep working hard, keep pushing your limits.